Hello, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching. So in today's video I want to talk about simple and practical ways of saving more money. First one here is buying from generic markets rather than buying name brands. So the reason being is generic products are generally lower in price compared to name brands. Reason being is the generic products are not heavily advertised. The reason is the packaging is basic and the labels, and they don't have a lot of labels. So as a result, the prices are lower than the name brands. I'm going to show you an example of a generic product. Labels, no, just the basic packaging like this. So basically you're just interested in whatever it is inside. So that's the first point. The second point to save more money is thrift shopping. Thrift shopping is buying second-hand products or items. Prices of second-hand products are always lower than the new products. Most cases though some can be higher, but at least you'll be able to save some money in some areas. You do your own research on which kind of product you are buying. This is the beauty of thrifting. Get quality products at the same time for lower prices. The third way to be able to save your money is cooking versus takeout or eating out. When you calculate how much you spend eating out compared to cooking at home, you'll realize that eating out is more expensive. Eating out or takeouts are always expensive compared to cooking at home. So in fact, that should be the first place to start cutting costs. Or the best place to start with saving money is cooking at home. Another way to save your money is being intentional of what to buy. Don't just buy without thinking through your purchase. Okay, when you are intentional, you will reduce the amount of overspending, unnecessary spending of your money. Being intentional involves thinking through, questioning if you really need the item or not. Question whether you need the product or not. You don't just buy because you want to buy. You buy because you need it, you want to use it. That is the reason why that is being intentional. You buy because you need it and you want to use it, not buying for the sake of buying. This goes hand in hand with the next point, the fifth one, which is about online shopping. So online shopping is very convenient. You can buy a lot of things without realizing you are really spending a lot of money. So in this case, to be able to control that, you can practice a rule called 24-hour rule, whereby you put whatever the items you need into your cart and then leave it for 24 hours and then go back there and see whatever you have added in your cart to see if to see critically whether you still need that item or not. So after 24 hours, you'll realize that there are some things you might not want. You will remove them from the cart, and that will save you some money. The sixth point is decluttering. So decluttering is removing unnecessary things, stuff in your house. So in the process, you'll be able to see if you have a lot of things. You might get to realize or find some things which you have been you've been having them and you're not using them, and you may decide to use them and that would save you some money instead of going out to buy other things. Decluttering helps you to kind of audit what you have. You see, what do I have? How many pairs of shoes do I have? How many bags, clothes? and organize them. It's another way of being organized. At the same time, utilizing what you have not been using because it has been hidden inside all your stuff, and hence you'll be able to save some money. The next point is try no spend month. So in this particular way of saving your money is you don't buy anything other than your necessities. That is the basic thing that you need in a month. You just buy those ones. The rest you don't buy. This form of saving money also is a good way of resetting your habits. If you had already started building bad habits of just buying, it is a good way of going back to being a spender, because now you are just fixed in just the basics of what you need in a month. So that way you'll be able to save your money because you are not doing the extra purchases. So the next one is stopping unnecessary subscriptions. So if you have any subscriptions which are not helping you directly, or you might have subscribed to something and you're not aware of, so you need to take time, check whatever you have subscribed to, and then stop it, because it's just a way of losing money. The next point is writing down all things you bought in a month. Actually, this will show you the expenses in a month, and also it's a way of tracking your expenses, and it's also a way of being accountable for each and every coin spent. Writing down helps you to even control yourself from buying things which you don't need them, because you have to go down and write them. I wouldn't like to write something which you are not happy about. It's like you're wasting your money. The next point is comparing markets, that is online market and the physical market. So before you make any purchase, comparing the two markets, the physical market, like going to the store, and the online market, to see which price is better compared to the other. So before you purchase something, you compare to be able to save some money. The next point is doing some things yourself. You don't need to hire services all the time. If something is very easy to do, and do them by yourself and be able to save some money. So the last point, and I believe it's important, is having a budget, working within a budget. So a budget acts as a tool to guide you on how much you will need to spend, what you need to spend. And it prevents unnecessary spending. So gives you a guideline on what is available to work with for that particular period or a month. That's all I have on how to save more money. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.